Today we're making some postcards for a postcard swap, so stick around if you'd like to see my process for putting them together. Hello and welcome back to a kooky corner of YouTube. Yes, I am back behind my desk at last. I've had 2.5 weeks travelling and about a week of a horrible head cold, which I've now, thank goodness, seen the back of, I hope. Still got a little bit of voice, where it's still hanging around a little bit. But apart from that, everything's good. Anyway, it's lovely to be back. Lovely to see you guys again. Nice for you to come and visit. And I thought I would, because I haven't had a chance to get back into the stitchery part of things, this is going to be like an art double whammy. So I am going to take you on a journey, and possibly more of a journey on Sunday if you want to stick around for the Cosy Art Club, because I'll probably still be working on what I'm working on now. And what I am working on now is the iHanna DIY postcard swap. Now, this is Hanna Andersson from Sweden. She has been running this for many years. And what she does is twice a year, she will send out for people who would like to join in the postcard swap. And what you do then is to create 10 postcards. I mean, you can do 20 if you want to, if you're feeling very sort of ambitious. I'm sticking to the 10. And you register with Hanna on her blog. And what you then do is you create 10 postcards that are going to be sent out around the world. It is a worldwide swap. I have not left myself a lot of time because I had this on my calendar that I was going to do this and then completely forgot all about it. So I've just managed to scrape in at the back end of the registration period. I think the last day to register for this particular swap is Sunday the 10th. I think that's correct. Yes. Sunday the 10th is the last day to register if you want to do postcards. And here's the kicker. They've got to be posted out on the 16th of May. So I haven't given myself much time, but I am confident that I can get this done because I've already got 3 down. So, and that was since registering yesterday, because my brain had completely forgotten. Anyway, you don't want to sit here looking at my boring old desk, which is covered with bits of stuff. So let me show you what I'm up to. So the postcard swap you can do in any kind of mixed media form you like. You can include fabric, you can do whatever you like. It's all on Hanna's blog, which I'll leave a link to in my description box below, so that you can go and check it out. And if you're interested, there is a small fee. It's an admin fee that you pay to Hanna, obviously, because she has to organise all the people that you're going to send out to. So she does all that. And she's just basically organising the whole thing, and I think it's well worth the amount of money that I paid, which is I think it's about £7, something like that, UK. Anyway, as to what I'm doing, well, I decided, because I've got all my lovely jelly papers, bits of scrappy doos that I've got left over, I thought, first of all, my first layer on my postcards is going to be collage. So I have a few here that I have already put together, but I'm going to go through one with you. So this is the kind of idea I've got in mind. This is Canson mixed media paper. It's quite a heavy one. I think it's 300 GSM or something. And these are the 10 by 15, 6 by 4 kind of postcard size, which is kind of like a standard, really. You can do different sizes, but just be aware of postage, obviously. And also, the people who are collecting might have the postcard slots that they're storing things in. So it's just good to go for a general size if you can. But obviously, that's not set in stone. So you can see I've got all my collage pieces on these. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have got 3 that I've done the next part of the process on. But I'll show you those in a minute. I just want to do some spares because you never know. Somebody might want one if one goes missing, you never know in this day and age. So I'm just going to grab my canson paper, cut to size, and we'll just stick some collage on it, shall we? Okay, so I've got some scissors. I have got my canson postcard. I've made my own backings for these, by the way, because I wanted them to have a traditional postcard backing. So I've printed out some postcard backings which will go on at the end. Not right now, because right now I am more interested in the sticking and cutting. So I've got my metal ruler in case I need to rip some more of these pieces up. But first of all, I'm going to dig into my little selection of goodies and see what I've got. So I'm just gonna, like I do with my stitched postcards, I like to just try them out a little bit, see what kind of a thing I can get going on. I love this green spotty. Might be a bit too thick. So I'm going to do my arranging. I'll put a little bit of music in the background and yeah, let's see how I can get on. So I have my background, which is basically what I've done with all these other ones as well. So they're all dry now and ready to roll. I'm going to leave this one to dry off and proceed on to the next part. Now, I've got 3 that I have completed, so I'm going to show you which ones I've done already, so you can have a little look. Just move my gluing sheet out of the way for the moment, and I'll show you them in order that I did them. So the first one I did was this guy, which is one of my Corvids, and he has been painted in acrylic and acrylic wash on top of the collage, and you can see on the back there it's been finished off with one of those little postcardy address things on the back. I stuck that one down with some of the this one Cucina, is it Cocoina? I have to say it like that for some strange reason. I don't know why. Anyway, that was stuck on with that, and it stuck down really nicely. The next 2 I did with some double-sided adhesive paper, and that worked as well. So I'm just trying out different methods to see which one works best before I tackle the rest. So we have Mr. Corvid, Mr. Blue Dog. He's the next one, another one of my original characters who's going on one of these postcards. And then you knew it had to happen. You knew it had to be an owl. So we've got an owl, my blue dog, and my Corvid guy. And I'm going to do probably 9 more postcards. So I've got 12 in total. So I've got 10 to send out and 2 spares just in case anything goes missing. I'm hoping it doesn't. Fingers crossed it all goes well. Because they go in the post exactly like this. Don't put them in envelopes. They go as a postcard. And so, because they are going as a postcard, when I have done all the layers, as I have done here, I then put a layer of varnish on top to varnish them down to make sure they're all stuck down. And these have had varnish already, so they're nice and dry, nice and sturdy. And you can see the slight sheen there. It is a matte varnish that I did put on them. It's this one here. That one, the Liquitex matte varnish. It does say 2 coats, but I think 1 coat's done fairly well with it already. I'm just knocking everything over here. As you saw from the video, I've been using my Yoo-Hoo stick just to stick down the collage bits because it's really good. I could have easily done that with the Cocoina glue as well, but that takes a little longer to dry, so I thought this one was the best one to go with, and it's worked pretty well. So I'm very happy with that. Now, as to decorating the other ones, I've just got to think of some different characters that I'm going to do on top of these. Some people will say, why did you bother doing the collage? Well, I like a busy background to work on, and then I put my character on top of it, and although it does cover up some of the beautiful papers, I just enjoy it. I like it. So that's my working method for these particular postcards for this time. Now, I do know that there is going to be another one, I think, in the autumn time, and if you are signed up to iHanna's newsletter, you get to know when the next one will be. So probably give you some more time to create your postcards. On her blog as well, there are loads of different ideas and things that you can choose from to make your postcards with. You know, if you've got no idea where to start there, because she gives you some great tips on what else you can do to get you started and figuring out what it is you would like on your postcards. On Sunday, I will be going through putting something on top of one of my backgrounds. So if you are interested in that, that's going to be our Cosy Art Club Sunday. So that will be this Sunday coming. I've missed, well, I didn't miss one. I had another video which wasn't a Cosy Art Club one on the Sunday because I was travelling. And I like it to be quite fresh and recent when I've done something in Cosy Art Club, so that I can kind of share with you at the same time as we're making. I'm hoping at some point to be able to do some lives, but that might have to be as a Zoom or something like that at some point this year. When my brain settles down after the travelling, I'm going to figure that out. But for now, Sunday Art Club is still going to be continuing for the rest of the year. Hopefully you're enjoying it. And as I say, I will be doing that on there. And then next week, on a Friday, we'll be back to some stitchery. So you'll be able to see what other things I'm going to be doing. Because you know I do a lot of things on this channel. I like to mix my art and stitchery. And I like it when both of those things come together so I can put them both together as well. So 3 postcards down. I've got another 9 to make in 7 days. I think I can do it. I think I've got most of the backgrounds of the other ones completed, so we're on a roll. And I will be doing, as I say, one with you on Sunday as well. So if you want to see something specific go on a postcard, this is your chance to leave me a little message underneath the description box in the comments and let me know which of my pieces and things that you know I do. I do cats, I do bears, whatever you'd like to see on a postcard. I'm going to see if there are comments and one that catches my eye, and it might be your idea that I'm doing on Sunday for the Cosy Art Club. So I won't be going through all the collage part of it on the Sunday Art Club. That bit is going to be covered by this video, obviously. But I will be doing painting live with you. I won't be live, but you know what I mean. It won't be speeded up. It will be as I do it on Sunday. So if you want to make some backgrounds up to paint along with me, then get yourself some little postcard backgrounds made and we'll have a go at these on Sunday. I hope that you are all well, and I hope you've enjoyed having a little look at what I'm catching up with now that that horrific cold has gone and I can actually talk again without coughing, which is hooray for that. Anyway, that's enough from me for the waffle. I'll be back here with more waffle on Sunday. Bye for now.